We're the Essary family, and we're exploring America, one destination at a time.
Well, there's no waiting. You're cooked anyway.
Oh, okay. Hey, well, I'm cooking. I'm panning. I'm not as white as I used to be.
We are on our first full day of our Oklahoma trip. We got up this morning and went and grabbed some breakfast from a donut store, and now we're letting little one play at the park while we finish our breakfast before we head on to our first destination. Those three are finishing up their breakfast. Those two are playing. Well, one's playing, one's working. We found this neat little thing right here. I don't know, you climb up it and then you slide down, and the guys are having way too much fun on it.
Don't look at anything.
Help him get on the end of it. Woo! If you get a chance to come to the Chickasaw Cultural Center in Sulphur, Oklahoma, I highly recommend that you do. It's a beautiful and peaceful place.
Take one of these. See this? See this? And then you drop it. Come on. Take one of these. And then you drop it.
No, he's eating it! He just ate it! He's in his mouth! No, look! You gotta feed the fish and the turtles.
Take one of these. Yeah, here.
There you go. Drop some more.
There you go.
Is that what they're doing? And the fishies making faces. Throw it. Tell us about what you're eating.
Alright, so I'm about to eat the buffalo. I'm about to eat the buffalo burger. And then I also got another half of the elk burger that I'm going to eat.
Does it taste any different than cow?
Not really. Maybe a little bit more tough than what a regular hamburger would taste like. Let's try
The elk? I imagine it would taste like venison. Does it?
Yeah. but it's not as gamey as our white-tailed deer that we have in the house. But yeah, it's really good.
Any good?
Yeah.
Would you recommend them? Which one do you like better?
The elk.
The elk?
Yeah, definitely do the elk burger instead of the bison burger.
Okay. So this is grape dumplings. I have no idea what to expect.
Good, huh?
It tastes like hot grape juice.
That's nice on a June day.
Not a fan. I'm just gonna take a moment. I have no idea what this is supposed to be, but we're gonna try it. Okay, I don't know what this is, but it's really good. It has some sort of meat in it. And the whole reason I got it, which I'm not going to try on camera because it's going to be super messy, is this giant fried bread taco. Which looks and smells amazing and is beautiful. Potato and sausage are my favorite. All right. Weirdo. That's delicious. That is delicious.